What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel online certification course. Here, come get certified on how to design a highly available, cost-efficient, scalable distributed system through the AWS cloud. All right, make sure you subscribe, comment below once you did so, and I'll reply back to you. But before we get into the tutorial, the intro. AWS certifications validate candidates' knowledge on how to design highly available, cost-efficient, fault-tolerant, and scalable distributed systems on the AWS cloud. The training enables IT professionals to design solutions that meet business and technical requirements, following best security guidelines and practices for both public and private sectors. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial, and a link will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up, and comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Simpliv Amazon Web Service or AWS Certified Solutions Associated examination is intended for individuals who perform a solution architect role and have 1 or more years of hands-on experience designing scalable distributed systems on AWS. You will learn SAA-C02 examination is intended for individuals to perform in solution architect roles. This exam validates an examinee's ability to effectively demonstrate knowledge of how to architect and deploy secure and robust applications on AWS technology. If you're wondering if AWS requires coding skills, the answer is no. Getting started with and learning AWS does not require any coding skills. Many basic tasks can be performed without coding. However, depending on the job skills you have or need, you may still be required to learn some programming skills. You should also have basic knowledge of the following as well if you're going to take this course and pass: basic knowledge of Windows or Linux OS, basic IT knowledge, basic knowledge of DNS and Internet. This Simpliv Learning online certification course will effectively demonstrate knowledge of how to architect and deploy secure and robust applications on AWS technology. Define a solution using architectural design principles based on customer requirements. Also provide implementation guidance based on best practices to the organization throughout the life cycle of the project. Keep in mind there's much more to list, but you can also click on the link to find out more about this course. Also, you could do a live, pre-recorded, or both as well. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Once inside that link, you can browse around and check out the other courses you may have interest in. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. As always, hit that like button if you find this tutorial informative, so I can continue making more content. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a personal link to check out. Once again, many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.